Welcome to Processing Object Calibrations, part of the Theia 3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe how to use the Object Calibration tool within Theia 3D to process extrinsic object calibration trials. It is important to note chessboard calibration is the preferred extrinsic calibration method and recommended over object calibration. To start, your video data should be organized in the nested data structure required by Theia 3D. If your video data is not yet organized, you can watch the Organize Videos tutorial and complete that step before proceeding. You should also have a calibration object txt file containing the 3D coordinates of the calibration object key points relative to your desired global coordinate system origin, measured in millimeters. It is important that these key point positions are measured with high precision. First, navigate to and select Object Calibration under the Calibration drop-down menu. This opens a sidebar containing the Object Calibration tool. Click Load Videos, then navigate to and select the folder containing the Object Calibration trial. After loading the Object Calibration trial, the videos will be visible. If the Object Calibration videos need enhancement to increase the brightness, contrast, or correct the white balance, you can watch the Video Enhancement Tool video and use the Enhancement tool. The next step is to load the camera lens intrinsic parameters. If you are using Sony RX02 cameras, click the Load Default RX02 Intrinsics button. If you are using OptiTrack cameras, open the Lens Calibration tool under the Calibration drop-down menu, click Load Intrinsics, then navigate to and select your saved intrinsics.txt file and click Open. Next, click Load Object to load your calibration object file containing the calibration object key point coordinates. The key point coordinates will populate the object and camera lists, and you are now ready to perform the calibration process. Double-click the first camera view to enter full screen, and check that the first calibration point in the object list is selected. One by one, select the position of the calibration key points within the current camera view using Control-Click. It is important that each key point is selected with as much precision as possible. After each Control-Click, the selected key point in the object key point list automatically increments to the next key point. Once you have assigned every visible calibration object key point within the current camera view, repeat this process for all other camera views. If you need to reassign any key points, you can use the Reset Point, Reset Camera, or Reset All Cameras buttons to reset the key points that need to be reassigned. Once you have assigned every calibration object key point in every camera view, click Calibrate Cameras to calibrate the camera system. The global coordinate system will now be visible within every camera view. Check that it is positioned and oriented as expected based on your calibration object in every camera view. If it is not positioned as expected in any camera views, reset the key point assignments for those camera views, reassign the key points, and click Calibrate Cameras again. Thank you for watching this Theia 3D tutorial on processing object calibrations. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.